Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply the shock effect to your videos in CapCut. So first, just add your videos and duplicate it. So duplicate it first and make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to make the first one as overlay. Then remove the background on the overlay. So use the auto removal or auto cut. Okay, after the background is removed, click on a check icon and let's go back. Go to the video effect. Here, swipe through the category until you find the distortion category and then just find the flute shock effect. This one. Click on the effect. Click on a check icon, apply it to the entire clip. Now on the effect, go to object and then choose to apply it to only the overlay. Click on the check icon. Now you are done and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.